10 plus 2 times 5 minus 8. 10 plus 2 will give us 12. Then we have 12 times 5 minus 8. 12 times 5 will give us 60. Then 60 minus 8 is equals to 52. 52 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to. Let us solve the right answer to this question. Now we are going to start with our multiplication because it comes first before addition and subtraction. 2 times 5 will give us 10. Then we have 10 plus 10 minus 8. Now we are going to work from our left to our right. 10 plus 10 will give us 20. Then we have 20 minus 8. 20 minus 8 will give us 12. 12 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.